Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to see about 2-pin plug, 3-pin plug, 3-pin socket, 5-pin socket, and the purpose of 3-pin plug. And in the next video, we will see why earth point is longer and thicker, or cross-sectional area is greater than phase and neutral point. So let us see. In our home, we are having different types of loads. So these loads are mainly classified into two types, that is light load and the power load. So the light load means the load that are all carrying a low current or comes under the light load. So for example, table fan, table lamp, FM radio, mobile phone charger, TV, DVD player. These are all consuming less current, so that these are all coming under light load. And the power load means the loads that are all consuming more current. For example, induction stove, fridge, washing machine, grinder, UPS, heater, iron box, AC and microwave oven. These are all carrying more current, those that are all called as the power load. So now see, in our home we are having different types of loads, and the light loads are normally having the power rating of less than 1 kilowatt, and the power loads are having the power rating of less than 3 kilowatt. Normally we are getting the standard supply voltage, that is 220 volt for light load and also the power load. So now we know the power and the voltage value. From this value we can identify the current rating of the particular appliance. So that is obtained by using the formula V is equal to V into I cos phi. That is the real power consumed by the appliance is nothing but V is equal to VA cos phi. Here I am taking the lamp load, so that the cos phi value is 1. Suppose if you are taking the grinder, that is coming under inductive type load, so that we want to consider power factor for the particular type of load at the time of calculating the current rating. So now we know power, I am considering the maximum power rating of the equipment, that is 1 kilowatt. So the power will be 1 into 10 power 3 and the applied voltage is 220. So that unknown current I is calculated by using this formula. Obtained value is approximately 4.5 amps. And suppose I am considering 3 kilowatt as the power rating of the power load. Here instead of 1 kilowatt, I am substituting 3 into 10 power 3 kilowatts, so that I am getting the approximate current value is 14.2 amps. So suppose the light loads are having the current value of 4.5 amps, means we want to use a 6 amps plug. For power load, the current rating will be 14.2 or 13.3 something. So at the time we want to use a 16 amps plug. So now we will see what is 2-pin plug. So already I said that the home appliances like a table fan, mobile phone charger, DVD player, TV, these are all consuming low current, so that appliances are normally supplied by using the 2-pin plug. And in that 2-pin plug we are having 2 points, so it is nothing but phase and neutral point. These are all the 2 points in the 2-pin plug, and the name of the 2-pin plug is Indian plug or Euro plug, and the current rating of the Euro plug is 2.5 amps and 5 amps bar 6 amps. And what is 3-pin plug? 3-pin plug means the power load like fridge, microwave oven, AC, water heater, these are all getting some higher value of current, so that are all called as the power load. So that appliances are normally supplied by using 3-pin plug. So what all the pins are available in the 3-pin plug means there are 3 pins are available: phase or line. This first pin is the phase or line, and second one is a neutral pin, third one is a earth pin. So these are all the indications L, N, E or ground symbol are available in the 3-pin plug itself. So this is the 3-pin plug. So here we have seen this is the earth point, and here this is the phase, and this is the neutral. So in that plug itself we can see L, N and the ground indications are available here. Okay, so normally the distance between the phase and the neutral point will be 1 inch, and the distance between the earth point and the phase point will be 1.125 inches, and then distance between earth and the neutral will be 1.125 inches. So these are the distance between the each pins in the 3-pin plug. So now let us see. So what is the current rating of the 3-pin plug? The current rating of the 3-pin plug is normally 6 amps to 10, to 16 amps. Next we'll see what is 3-pin socket and the 5-pin socket. So normally the socket is nothing but the place where we are inserting the plug, that is called as the socket. So in the 3-pin socket we can insert a 2-pin plug and the 3-pin plug. So normally the current rating of the 2-pin plug is 2.5 amps and 6 amps, and 3-pin plug will be 6 amps and the 10 amps. So if we take the 5-pin socket, we can insert a 2-pin plug and also 3-pin plug. 2-pin plug with current rating of 2.5 amps and 6 amps, and 3-pin plug is having the current rating of 6 amps, 10 amps and also the 16 amps. That is the power load that are all consuming higher current is having the plug with the current rating of 16 amps. So that 16 amps plug is only inserted in the 5-pin socket. Here the 3-pin socket only we are inserting the 3-pin plug with the current rating of 6 amps and 10 amps. But in the 5-pin socket we can also insert the 3-pin plug with the current rating of 16 amps. So what all the points are available in the socket? 3-pin socket means, so in that right side phase and left side neutral, and the top portion is the earth. So if we take the 5-pin socket, so earth is here, here we are having the phase and the another one phase, here neutral and another one neutral are available. And what are the common data available in front side of the 2-pin plug and the 3-pin plug? So if we take the 3-pin plug, see this is the front side, this is the back side. So in the front portion itself we can see some data are available here. So between the pins, earth pin, phase and neutral pin, see some letters are available. Okay, you take the 3-pin plug and view what all the data are available. Okay, and in that iron box, what all the data are available means made in India for AC only at 6 amps to 250 volt. If we take the induction stove, again we are using 3-pin plug. Here also the indications are 16 amps and the 250 volt. If you take the laptop charger, we are using 3-pin plug, and the data available in that plug is made in China, 10 amps 250 volt. So these are all some common data available in the plug itself, front side of the plug itself. And here notice one thing. So in our India, the current rating of the plug manufactured will be 16 amps and 6 amps only. That is 6 amps and 16 amps is the standard current rating of the plug manufactured in our country. Other countries are manufacturing other rating like 10 amps like that. That's why here they are putting made in China. So here see made in India 6 amps, but the 10 amps plugs are manufactured by other countries, so that they put made in China. So these are all some general information about 3-pin plug and what all the pins are available and what are the data available in front side of the 3-pin plug. Some places in the 2-pin plug also we can view the current rating, right? Some of the 2-pin plug they mentioned the current rating is 2.5 amps like that. So the for example, the 2.5 amps 2-pin plug is mostly used in the LED lamps used for decoration purpose, right? So if you are using the LED lamp for decoration purpose, that LED lamp is supplied by using the plug 2-pin plug with a current rating of 2.5 amps. So we are taking the mobile phone charger, the current rating will be mentioned, that is 0.6 amps like that, right? So these are all some common 0.6 amps, otherwise 60 milliamps like that they have mentioned in that mobile phone charger. And next one we will see what is the purpose of using 3-pin plug, right? So instead of using 2-pin plug for power loads we are using 3-pin plug. So what is the reason? So already I said that the home appliances like grinder, fridge, washing machine, water heater, microwave oven, these are all coming under the power load. So that are all having the metal body, that is power load appliances are covered or enclosed by a metal body. So under normal operating conditions there is no leakage current from the appliances. Suppose if there is any failure, any fault inside of the equipment occurs, means what will happen, that phase wire or live wire inside the metal body comes in contact with the outer body, that is the metal body. So that current in the phase wire is passed on that particular metal body also, So that current is called as the leakage current. So under abnormal conditions, the current in that internal circuit also passes through the metal body of the equipment. So that current on the metal body is called as the leakage current. Suppose a human being or a person is going to touches the particular equipment, means what will happen, that leakage current is flowing through the human body and finally it reaches the earth. So that a particular person who is going to touches the going to touch the metal body may experience the electrical shock. Okay, so the electrical shock is nothing but the leakage current is flowing to the earth through the human body from the metal enclosure. Okay, so that is called as the electrical shock. So how to avoid that electrical shock created by the leakage current? So it is normally avoided by using the 3-pin plug. So in the 3-pin plug we are having the earth pin. So if you are using the 3-pin plug for that power load, means the leakage current in the metal body is passed to the earth through the earth pin instead of passing through the human body, right? Because the earth pin having the low resistance, so the current is passed to the earth through the earth pin instead of passed through the human body. Okay, so how we are avoiding the electrical shock? Just we are putting the third pin in that 3-pin plug, that is the earth pin, so that the leakage current is grounded through the earth pin. For that purpose we are using 3-pin plug instead of 2-pin plug. So for that I have drawn diagram. So consider this diagram. This is nothing but a metal enclosure, and here this is the internal circuit of the particular equipment. Here I am connecting the 2 points, that is phase and neutral. It is a 2-pin plug. So under normal operating condition there is no problem, there is no leakage current in that metal body of the particular equipment. So here consider this is another same equipment. Here the phase is opened due to some abnormal condition or faulty condition. The phase circuit will be opened so that the current in the phase is flowing through the metal body, right? Suppose the person is coming to touch the metal body, means what will happen, the leakage current in that metal body is passes to the earth through the human body, so that person experiences electrical shock. Okay, so here the faulty condition and without earth pin, the leakage current is flowing to the earth from the metal body through the human being body, so that it will create the electrical shock. Suppose here notice here I am using the 3-pin plug, earth point, phase and neutral point. Under faulty condition, the metal body carrying some current, that is called leakage current. That leakage current is flowing to the earth through the earth pin. So this leakage current is not flowing to the earth through the human body. Why? The earth pin is having low resistance, so but the human body is having high resistance. So normally the current will choose the low resistance path, so that the leakage current in that metal body is automatically flowing to the earth through the earth pin, right? So how it will happen, the ground wire of the earth pin is normally connected to the metal body of the particular equipments. That's why the leakage current is flowing to the earth through the earth pin. That wire is connected to the metal body, so that the leakage current is directly grounded through the earth pin. These are all some basic information about earth pin used in that 3-pin plug. And next we will see so what is the purpose of a 3-pin plug. The 3-pin plug is mainly used to supply the electricity to the appliances in a safe manner, right? So we are using the 3-pin plug means so we can safely supply the electricity to the particular appliances. It will not create any electrical shock to the human being. So in the 3-pin plug, wire connected to the ground pin of the plug is normally connected to the metal body of the equipment. So that's why the leakage current is flowing to the earth. So these are all some information about 2-pin plug and the 3-pin plug. I hope you have got some more information about this 3-pin plug and the 2-pin plug. So if you're having any queries and doubt, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.